Sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Audi SQ5. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of an Audi are offered, including power front seats, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, a headlight cleaning system, a power rear cargo door, a roof rack, and cruise control. Audi also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.